AI has become surprisingly good in doing our work, whether it be writing emails, professional emails, or writing the code, or giving our life advices as well. It is like becomingly very good at it. So we must understand the basic understanding of AI, like how the LLM works, how ChatGPT works, basically. So I will teach you today, like how a common man can understand, like how how ChatGPT works, how it predicts, how it does the thinking part. So for this, I will take my example, like when I was in preschool, or like nursery, or junior KG, right? So there we used to calculate like 2 plus 8 as 10. So we used to count with our fingers, like this is 2 and this is like 8. So I used to count that one by one and I used to give that answer. But when like now I used to predict like 580 plus 420, so it is 1000. I have not thought for a single second. My mind just told me it's 1000. How this happened? This is because a lot of in between these years I have solved lot of mathematics problems, or I have done a lot of mathematical calculations. That's why this is possible. So basically I am trained to do this. That's how AI is. But there is one thing, like humans can only have a limited scope, like we can calculate up to certain numbers only, a certain range of numbers. But AI can calculate any number. Just we need to train it. Like let's understand with the help of ChatGPT. Here I am providing 2 plus 3. Um, Calculate the sum of 2 plus 3, so it will give me a result of 5. Now ChatGPT has not, or the LLM has not calculated 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 like calculator. It has just predicted based on the training, of the data. Okay. So but like you can try on ChatGPT, like a rabbit, you can ask, like without using external tools, you just give me the number of letter B. So it will say, sometimes it will say 1, sometimes it will say 2. It depends. Sometimes it will give wrong output. That's surprising, right? So why? Because it is not trained on that data. But if you will say, like if you will say in general, like calculate the number of letter B in the, or the repetition of letter B in rabbit word, then it will give me 2 answer. Then why? This is because ChatGPT just predicts the letter. But nowadays what happens is, like ChatGPT may takes help of external tool as well. Like it can search on the web and it can give me the result. Okay. Now what I mean by that, let's dive deeper into it. So like if I am asking a ChatGPT for a particular Java code, like write a Selenium test automation script, suppose, for whatever the test case scenario, like on the search functionality of Amazon web page. So it will give me based on the data trained on the code, it will predict what should be the code, but it will not run it for me. Okay, it will take the help of external tools and run the code for me. That is what prediction is. That's how ChatGPT predicts. It doesn't think, it just predicts. Okay, what I mean by that, it doesn't calculates 5 plus 7, but it uh, like it goes on the similar patterns, like whether this pattern has been trained 5 plus 2 in the model or not, and based on that it will give me the output. I hope you got the point. what ChatGPT does basically. So what ChatGPT is? It is basically a GPT means like generative pre-trained transformer. Now generative means it can predict and it generates the output, okay, uh, based on the data trained, okay. So and pre-trained, as the word suggests, it is trained on the data. And transformer is like it transforms, like basically what I'm going to say is like computers don't understand our language, our English language, Hindi language or anything. So what computers does is they convert, they talk in machine language, that based on numbers. So if I am saying like I am good, so it will it will generate a particular number for I am good for all three cases, and then it will make a pattern of it. And then based on the pattern, like I am good, if I am saying this to ChatGPT, then whatever he predicts or whatever it predicts, it is based on that pre-trained data, like how how it has previously I am good or I am good words, how it has previously predicted. With that, it will predict the next word. So it is not giving me answers which are stored I am good. If what I am saying like how are you, then ChatGPT will say I am good. So I am asking how are you. So it doesn't have the pre-stored data in a database for it, okay. It will how it will generate or it will predict after how are you, like it will predict I am good. It is not taking it from somewhere in the database, okay. That's what I actually mean by predicting the things. And in the background, what it is doing, it is just predicting the numbers related to this use case. That's why you have seen in ChatGPT, like every time you give any text, like every time you ask a question, it always answers differently. The answers of ChatGPT are not the same every time, they are different. This is because of that only, because it predicts, it doesn't fetch the data which is stored somewhere else. I hope you got the point, and I hope you understand what ChatGPT actually is or what LLMs actually work.